The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Why is Tesla spending a fortune on electricity just to keep its AI supercomputers running? Based on AI supercomputing cluster operational costs and energy optimization, what happens to Tesla's future if its revolutionary dry-electrode battery process faces a massive delay? Based on the strategic question regarding internal cell manufacturing delays, how does Tesla's bizarre unboxed assembly layout/factory floor space by a massive 30%? Based on transitioning high-volume vehicle builds to concurrent modular setups, why did Elon Musk invest in expensive giga-presses if vehicle designs keep changing? Based on heavy foundry equipment investments and the friction of changing casting patterns, how does writing software code once allow Tesla to pull pure profit from millions of cars globally? Based on the software R&D operating leverage framework, why is Tesla installing massive melting furnaces directly next to its casting assembly lines? Based on recycling casting alloys on the factory floor to eliminate raw material handling costs, what is the hidden financial limit stopping Tesla from replacing all its repair shops with mobile vans? Based on tracking the exact operational cost variances between mobile technician fleets and brick-and-mortar centers, how does Tesla quietly eliminate the steep middleman markups of traditional chip manufacturers? Based on custom microprocessor fabrication tooling for proprietary silicon-like hardware for, why is Tesla forcing entirely different car models to use the exact same structural battery modules? Based on standardizing structural cell packs to simplify component purchasing, how does building battery factories inside vehicle production facilities completely wipe out cross-border shipping fees? Based on logistics footprint reduction dynamics, why does Tesla intentionally run its heaviest AI supercomputing workloads exclusively late at night? Based on shifting non-urgent computing and model validation tasks to low-cost energy windows, how do automated visual scanning cameras stop manufacturing mistakes before they cost Tesla millions? Based on automating quality controls via computer vision to minimize scrap expenses, what brutal financial penalties hit Tesla whenever it's forced to rely on emergency air freight? Based on the urgent operational need to audit global schedules and minimize emergency shipping charges, how does churning out millions of identical electric vehicles quietly crush Tesla's fixed manufacturing overhead? Based on manufacturing fixed cost amortization mechanics, why is Tesla locking in multi-year production forecasts with raw mineral mines instead of buying on the spot market? Based on providing long-term component specs to mining partners to guarantee bulk pricing. Pillar 9, Cost Structure. Tesla's cost framework requires significant capital spending for factory machinery and supercomputing infrastructure, but uses vertical integration and advanced casting methods to drive down per-unit vehicle assembly expenses. 8 case studies in cost structure. 1. AI supercomputing cluster operations. Allocates substantial ongoing capital to run massive data centers, like the Cortex installation, managing heavy electricity and advanced chip processing costs to train vision networks. 2. Raw mineral and cathode material procurement. Manages massive upfront supply expenses for critical battery raw materials like lithium, nickel, and iron phosphate through direct long-term purchase agreements. 3. Gigafactory structural capital expenditures. Directs billions of dollars into constructing modular manufacturing facilities globally, focusing on optimizing factory floor space and reducing local logistics overhead. 4. Continuous R&D for autonomous systems and robotics. Funds specialized engineering teams and hardware prototyping for full self-driving updates, custom vehicle computers, and the Optimus humanoid project. 5. Custom microprocessor fabrication tooling. Absorbs development and processing costs for internal vehicle computer chip designs, such as hardware to bypass standard chipmaker markups. 6. Heavy foundry equipment investments. Purchases expensive multi-thousand-ton giga-press systems to eliminate multiple stamping steps and reduce the factory space required for body assembly. 7. Global parts and mobile service overheads. Finances localized parts hubs, parts distribution networks, and mobile repair van fleets to handle warranty adjustments and customer upkeep. 8. Inbound and outbound freight logistics. Balances complex international shipping charges for battery cells, manufacturing components, and final vehicle deliveries across different regional markets. For open-ended strategic questions. How can Tesla lower the steep electricity and infrastructure operational costs of running multi-thousand-node AI supercomputing networks? What financial impacts will occur across factory production lines if the dry-electrode manufacturing process for internal battery cells faces long implementation delays? How can upfront factory tooling and giga-press costs be balanced against vehicle design changes that require updated casting patterns? What is the financial boundary between expanding company-owned repair centers and using mobile technicians to optimize customer service costs? For foundational explanations. Manufacturing fixed cost amortization. Building high-volume factory lines requires massive upfront investments, but producing millions of vehicles scales those fixed costs down to a low average amount per car. Vertical supply chain margin consolidation. Refining battery minerals and assembling packs in-house removes multiple supplier price layers, protecting manufacturing gross margins. The software R&D operating leverage. Developing driving code requires heavy initial research costs, but once written, the software can be pushed to millions of vehicles globally for almost zero added cost. Logistics footprint reduction dynamics. Placing battery manufacturing right inside vehicle production facilities removes expensive cross-border shipping links, lowering total factory operating expenses. For strategic implementation plans, automate quality controls via computer vision. Install advanced visual scanning cameras along assembly steps to catch manufacturing anomalies early and minimize scrap material expenses. Locate production sites close to supply infrastructure. Position future manufacturing expansion hubs near deepwater shipping ports and heavy rail links to reduce raw component transit costs. Transition assembly stations to modular layouts. Move high-volume vehicle builds toward concurrent unboxed setups to reduce required factory real estate sizes by up to 30%. Optimize local supercomputer energy connections. Install dedicated renewable energy systems and battery storage packs next to data hubs to secure lower power rates for AI training. For core implementation processes, monitoring material scrap rates in real time, tracking material efficiency metrics across large casting operations to optimize alloy recycling loops. Auditing production component costs, checking individual vehicle parts costs continuously to find opportunities for streamlining component designs. Managing high-volume tooling upkeep, scheduling predictive maintenance overhauls for heavy factory presses to avoid costly unexpected line stoppages. Tracking localized service warranty costs, reviewing early vehicle repair data to catch component wear trends and update main production lines. For actionable recommendations, recycle casting alloys directly on the factory floor. Install melting furnaces right next to casting systems to instantly reuse metal trim scraps, reducing raw material handling costs. Use standard battery modules across diverse vehicles. Standardize structural cell packs across different consumer and commercial models to simplify component purchasing and assembly steps. Shift computing loads to low-cost energy windows. Route non-urgent model validation tasks to run during hours when regional utility power prices drop to their lowest. Provide long-term component specs to mining partners. Give raw material suppliers clear multi-year production forecasts to lock in predictable bulk pricing structures. For urgent to-do items, quantify the precise per-unit cost reduction achieved by shifting entry-level vehicle designs to updated battery configurations. Review global shipping schedules to minimize premium emergency air freight expenses for critical factory components. Track the exact operational cost variances between mobile technician vans and traditional brick-and-mortar service centers. Confirm that incoming cell manufacturing machinery aligns with international emission and energy efficiency standards. For practical analytical techniques, bill of materials, BOM, cost variance modeling, tracking real-time changes in individual parts pricing against baseline manufacturing projections to protect operating margins. Scrap rate and yield efficiency optimization, analyzing structural casting output quality data to reduce structural component discard percentages. Data center PUE, power usage effectiveness, tracking, measuring the energy efficiency of AI supercomputing systems to minimize waste in processing cooling systems. Total cost of ownership, TCO, comparison mapping, comparing the complete operational cost per mile of driverless platforms against traditional human-driven vehicle fleets. For concrete operational steps. 1. Open the internal manufacturing cost registry to review the current individual part expenses for a specific vehicle line. 2. Group the component list by total cost to isolate high-cost structural or interior pieces. 3. Collaborate with component design teams to replace a complex multi-part bracket layout with a single consolidated cast option. 4. Calculate the resulting assembly time reduction and material savings across the next factory production run to verify the cost adjustment. Financial interlock matrix. To visualize how Tesla's incoming revenue streams balance against its structural cost overheads, the matrix below highlights the financial relationship between core monetization channels and their underlying cost inputs. Primary monetization stream: key gross margin driver, highest impact cost center, strategic financial target. Automotive retail sales, vertically integrated direct sales, raw material mineral procurement, lower the average production cost per vehicle. FSD digital subscriptions, immediate software deployment, AI supercluster processing power, maximize high margin recurring user lifetime value. Megapack energy deployment, high volume battery density, battery cell manufacturing lines deliver competitive levelized storage costs to grids. Robotaxi fleet commissions, driverless asset utilization, urban fleet cleaning and local support achieve the lowest operating cost per mile in transit. Want to understand the ruthless cost-cutting frameworks that allow tech giants to scale hardware at software-like margins? If this deep dive into Tesla's back-end factory economics and vertical integration strategy changed the way you view manufacturing, take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our upcoming operational breakdowns. Don't forget to check the links in the description right now to download our free study materials and handouts to map out these cost structures for your own projects. While you are down there, click through to get immediate access to our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials, where we break down the exact data center efficiency models Tesla uses to optimize supercluster power consumption. If you have any fellow entrepreneurs, engineer friends, or finance enthusiasts who are trying to optimize their own operational systems, please share this video with friends who might need it. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.